Jai Hind students, today we will do 5th exercise of 3rd chapter. In this exercise, we will learn multiplication by a 3-digit number. We have learned multiplication by 2-digit number and by 1-digit number. Now we will learn how to multiply a number by a 3-digit number. So let's start with an example. First example is multiply 328 by 152. That means we have to multiply 328 by a 3-digit number 152. So first of all we will write these numbers according to their place values. So start writing their place values. Ones, tens and hundreds. First of all we will write multiplicand, and after multiplicand in next line we will write multiplier. So in this multiplicand 8 ones, 2 tens and 3 hundreds, and in multiplier 2 ones, 5 tens, 1 hundreds. Apply the sign of multiplication and now start multiplying. So when we start multiplying, first of all we will multiply 328 by 2. So start multiplication. Always start multiplication from right hand side. 2 8s are 16. So write down 6 here and 1 will go to carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 and 1 5. 2 3s are 6. So write down 6. Now we multiply 328 by this 5. But the place of value of this 5 is tens. So at ones place, after below this we will write 1 0, or you can put a cross mark. Now multiply 5 by 8. 5 8s are 40. So write down 0 here and 4 will go to carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. So write down 4 here and 1 will go to carry. 5 3s are 15. 15 and 1 16. So write down 16. Now multiply 328 by 1. But the place value of 1 is hundreds. So what we do? We will place 0 at tens and ones place. So at ones place I put 1 0. And at tens place also I put 1 0. Now start multiplying. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. Now the next step is we have to add these 3. So start adding. Also we know that addition always starts from right hand side. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So write down 8 here and 1 will go to carry. Next is 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 2 9. 1 plus 3 4. So 49,856 is our product. Now start the exercise question. We will do the first question, D part. In first question we have to find the product. We will do the D part. In D part 3030 is to be multiplied by 321. So we will follow the same process. First of all we will write these numbers according to their place values. So write these numbers according to their place values. 3030. It will be written as 0 ones, 3 tens, 0 hundreds and 3 thousands. The multiplier is 321. So start writing multiplier. In multiplier 1 ones, 2 tens and 3 hundreds. Apply the sign of multiplication and now start our multiplication. First of all we will multiply 3030 by 1. So start multiplication. 1 zeros are 0. 1 3s are 3. 1 zeros are 0. 1 3s are 3. Next, we have to multiply 3030 by 2. But the place value of this 2 is tens. So what we do? We will place 1 0 at ones place. So here we will place 1 0. आपकी मर्जी होती है, यहाँ पर आप 0 लिख सकते हैं या फिर आप एक क्रॉस का जो साइन होता है वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Now 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6. Now we have to multiply 3030 by 3. But the place value of 3 is hundreds. So what we do? At tens and ones place, here we will write 2 zeros. So write 0 at ones place, write 0 at tens place. Now start multiplication. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9, 3 zeros are 0 and 3 threes are 9. Now our next step is to add these three products. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 6, 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. So write down 2 here and 1 will go to carry. Okay. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. And write down this 9 as it is. So our product is 9,72,630. This is known as product. Now let's do the H part of first sum. We have to multiply 1214 by 786. So first of all we will write these numbers according to their place values. In this number 4 ones, 1 tens, 2 hundreds and 1 thousands. This is the multiplier. So write down multiplier also it's according to its place values. Apply the sign of multiplication and now start multiplication. First of all we will multiply 1214 by 6. Start 6 fours are 24. So write down 4. 2 will go to carry. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 twos are 12. So write down 2 here and 1 will go to carry. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now we have to multiply this number by 8. But the place value of 8 is tens. That means what we are doing? We are multiplying 1214 by 80. So we will place 10 at ones place. Now multiply 8 fours are 32. Carry 3. 8 ones are 8. 8 and 3, 11. Carry 1. 8 twos are 16. 16 and 1, 17. So write down 7 here and 1 will go to carry. 8 ones are 8. 8 and 1, 9. Now we have to multiply 1214 by this 7. But the place value of this 7 is hundreds. That means in actual we are multiplying 1214 by 7. So what we do? We will place 10 at ones place and another 0 at tens place. Now start multiplication. 7 fours are 28. So write down 8 here and 2 will go to carry. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 twos are 14. So write down 4 here and 1 will go to carry. 7 ones are 7. 7 and 1, 8. आपको ये याद रखना है जब आप कैरी यूज करेंगे तो जब इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया था वो कैरी आपने यूज किया, फिर जब इससे 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जब 6 से मल्टीप्लाई यूज करते हुए जो कैरीज आई थी उन्हें हम क्या कर देंगे? कट कर देंगे, सो दैट हमें कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो. Now what we do? We will add these 3. 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 plus 0 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 will go to carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So write down 2 here and 1 will go to carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. So write down 4 here and 2 will go to carry. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So write down 5 here and 1 will go to carry. 1 plus 9, 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9,54,204 is our product. So in this way we have to do the multiplication by a 3-digit number. Now come to the second question. In the second question we are asked how much is 300 times of 2432. That means आपसे क्या पूछा गया? आपका ये नंबर दिया गया है और उसका 300 टाइम्स पूछा गया है. जब किसी का टाइम्स पूछा जाता है that means we have to multiply that number by the given number. For example, if we say 3 times of 8, that means what we have to do? Either we have to add 8 3 times or we have to multiply 8 by 3. So similarly in this number 2432 is to be multiplied by 300. So we have two methods. One is we multiply the method by 1 which we have done in the previous question. Or the another method is we have learned the property of multiplying a number ending with 0. So I will use that property. What that property says? That property says that write down the number 2432. This number is to be multiplied by 300. So what you have to do? You have to multiply 2432 by this 3. Forget the zeros for once. एक बार के लिए आप zeros भूल जाइए और जो बिना जीरो को भूलने के बाद जो नंबर बचता है उसको इस नंबर से क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 2432 is to be multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So write down 2 here and 1 will go to carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 and 1 7. So when we multiply this number by 3 we got 7296. Now the property says if the number is ending with 0 then count the number of zeros. Number of zeros is 1 and 2. So what you have to do? You have to place 2 zeros at the right end of the number which you got after multiplying this number by the 3. So write down 2 zeros here. So this is our answer. That means 300 times of 2432 is 7,29,600. So this was the simplest way. You have to use multiplication property. In this way you have to complete your exercise 3.5. Thank you. Have a nice day.